tripping, get your mood right. Sure look good in the moonlight.
Hello, welcome to another tutorial. Today I will show you how to download the basic version of Metasploit, which is free nowadays. Go to the site of Rapid7, which developed this program. Now download this file. I have already installed it. After that, open the installation. Press Next. Press Next. Press Install. I cut the video a little. Press Finish. Open Command Prompt. Get out of the folders and go to your local disk. Copy this folder address. Now, don't write console.bat because it's not working on the type of installation. So type msf console and wait. There we got it. You can start your ethical attacks. Two things that make huge problems for the installing. 1. Your username on Windows is not in English. 2. You don't turn off your antivirus and firewalls. Thank you and subscribe for more videos.